Hello. So welcome to the new video. So in this video, we'll discuss about, we'll solve few problems from the NCERT book, that is exercise 7.1. So in the last video, we have solved in exercise 7.1, question number 1 to 5. So in this video, we'll solve question number 6 to question number 22. So we'll break, because it will be a longer one. So we'll break it into two parts. Question number 6 to question number 15 in one video. Then the next part, I'll solve question number 16 to question number 22. Okay. So let us start our exercise 7.1. So already, as I have mentioned, already we have solved your question number 1 to question number 5. So in this video, we'll solve question number 6 to question number 15. So this is NCERT. We are solving NCERT. Class 12 mathematics. Okay. So question number 6. So all the questions are based upon your integrations. So question number 6. Question number 6 is find the integration of 4e to the power 3x plus 1 dx. Okay. So before I solve the problems, I hope all of you know the formulas, but still some basic formula, let me remind you. Integration of x to the power n dx. If power is n, then the formula is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. C is a constant which will come for indefinite integrals. These are indefinite integrals, so it will of course come. So like another formula it will go integration of f plus g. These are two functions, f of x and g of x. Dx is integration of f dx plus or minus g dx. Okay, means if integration is there, if we are calculating the integration and two functions are there, either sum or differences, then individual will find their integrations. So other formulas, I hope most of you remember the formula, because most of the questions here will solve by using the formula. Like integration of e to the power x dx is e to the power x plus c. Okay. So three basic formula I have written, which we'll use in most of the cases in these questions. So you can see, so here this function plus another function is there, 1 dx. So we can write them separately. We can find out their integration separately, then we can add. First few one or two questions I'll do, I'll solve simplifying all the steps. Then I'll skip the steps, because I hope then you will be able to do faster. So here I can write 4e to the power x is one term, another term 1 dx will be another term. So I can write them separately. I can find the integration separately. So e to the power 3x integration dx plus integration dx, 1 dx or dx. Separate. I have written this integration in separate. Now 4 is a constant. Another formula you can write integration of k x dx is k will come x dx. Okay, so k come outside, like in derivative also k come outside. So here also constant will come outside, 4 will come outside here. Acha, e to the power 3x dx integration plus dx. What is the integration of dx? X. How? Because 1 is there. So 1 means I can write x to the power 0. Right. In the next step I will solve. Acha, e to the power 3x. What will be the integration? In substitution, because we will not use this exercise 7.1, we will not use the substitution case, but you remember without substitution also, by method of inspection also you can solve. Just I am giving you one example. Suppose derivative of e to the power 3x is what? 3 e to the power 3x, e to the power 3x into derivative of 3x is 3. Okay, by using chain rule. So 3 e to the power 3x, or if I write integration of, okay, integration of e to the power 3x is equal to 1 upon 3 derivative of 1 by 3 e to the power 3x. Okay, integration of e to the power 3x is 1 by 3 e to the power 3x plus c. So we can write in this way. So e to the power 3x is 4 into 1 upon 3 e to the power 3x plus x to the power 0 is x to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. Formula, first formula will use x to the power n is 0 here. X to the power 0 is 1. We can replace the 1 in this way. So this one will be we can write 4 upon 3 e to the power 3x plus x. So remember, means in the next questions I will not do this one. Integration of 1 dx or dx is simply x. Okay, integration of dx is x. Why? You can see here. Okay, so now 4 upon 3 e to the power 3x x plus c. So this is your answer for question number 6. Clear? If you have any doubt, you will write in the comment box. I'll try to answer your question, and I may make another video for you. So question number 7. Let me erase it. Question number 7. Question number 7. X square. Question number 7 is a very easy question. X square 1 minus 1 upon x square dx integration. Easy, right? So what you will do? Just multiply them. It will be easier for you. Just multiply them, then it will be simple. The case will become simple. You can say. So if I multiply, this will become x square minus this will become x square by x square dx. So x square minus 1 dx. Achha, then what will use? Rule number 2. If two functions are added together, like this one and another one, so here subtraction is there, so I can find the integration with the individual term. I'll find the integration for the individual term. So what shall I do here? I'll write, you can say x square dx minus dx. Last problem we have used, what is the integration of dx? X square dx, first problem, first formula you will use. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power 2, n is 2 here. So x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus x plus c. Dx I am writing directly. I am not doing it x to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. I have done in the last problem. Check it. So this is x to the power 3, 1 upon 3 minus x plus. Clear? Check it. Now we'll go for the question number 8. Clear? Yeah. Question number 8 says, very easy. Ax square plus bx plus c dx integration. So what we'll do? Use this one, plus individual, right? And a, b, c small, these are constants. Small a, small b, small c, these are the constants. Okay. So what we will do then? Ax square dx plus bx dx plus c dx. I'm just doing it in an elaborate way, but in the next questions I'll not do this much of elaborate. We have just written all the terms separately. Now I'll use this formula, that is kx dx is k will come outside. I have told you constant is, if constant is multiplied in integration, then constant comes outside. So a, b, c are constant. X square dx, formula number 1 you will use. So this is x 2 to the 2 plus 1 plus b x to the power, x means x to the power 1, x to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus c. Integration of dx is x plus c. Capital C you can write, or another constant you can write. K also you can write. This is small c, let's say this is capital C, no issue. This is another constant, but you can write k also, another constant, just a constant. This is another one more constant. So this is a upon 3 x cube plus b upon 2 x square plus cx plus capital C. Ready? Clear? Question number 9. Two x square, very easy, e to the power x dx. Directly you can do. So let's do it in elaborate. So you can do it directly, or let me write e to the power x dx. I have separated the terms, just 2x dx, e to the power x dx. Integration in both. Two constant will come outside. X square 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. First formula, x to the power n dx, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Clear? Then e to the power x. Same, e to the power x integration is e to the power x. No issue. You can do it. C. So this is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. X cube e to the power x c. Then So daily, at least 10 to 15 mathematics problem you should solve from calculus, so that in the exam you can perform well, because calculus you have to practice. More and more you will make practice, the more confidence you will level, means you will have the more confidence. Now question number 10. So we'll go up to question number 15, right, in this video, then another video. So question number 10. Question number 10 is root x minus 1 upon root x whole square dx integration. ठीक है? This is also easy. Now, what you will do? A minus b whole square. A is root x, b, take b 1 upon root x. Easy. Root x whole square, a square. So root x whole square plus 1 upon root x whole square minus 2 into root x into 1 upon root x, 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, right? And whole dx integration. Okay. Now root x whole square is root something, that number, that means x, square of a square of root x is root x plus 1 upon root x square is 1 upon x. So ये root x cancel, minus 2. Now this looks simple. So derivative integration of x dx plus individual plus minus, I will write it separately, 2 dx integration. Okay. X dx is x square by 2. Directly I am writing x to the power 1, 1 plus 1, x to the power n plus 1. That is 1 plus 1, 2 by 1 plus 1, 2. Directly I am writing. The integration of 1 upon x. ये एक rule है. This is one rule. Right. Integration of 1 by x dx is log mod x. This is one more rule. That's why you should know the rules. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, because integration is the reverse process of derivative, right? So derivative of log x is 1 upon x, antiderivative of 1 upon x, or integration of 1 upon x is log mod x. Log mod x, okay, why it is so, you should know it. So 1 upon x dx is log mod x. 2 will come outside. Derivative integration of dx is, I have done in the first problem, integration of dx is x to the power 0, then 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1, you can do that, right? So 2x plus a, and out, I think it's okay. Okay. Question number 11. Question number 11. What is question number 11? X cube plus 5x square minus 4 by x square. So what will do? Just to divide it, okay? Then it will be, see, means by looking at the problem, you have to think how will you proceed, okay? So that it will be easily, it can be simplified, or we can use our formulas, the base formula. So what shall I do? I'll divide it with each term. With each term, I'll divide x square. I can do that. 5x square upon x square minus 4 upon x square Just I separated it and I divided x square in all the terms. Okay, so x cube divided by x square, cancel x square cancel. So what will that x plus 5 this term minus 4 x to the power minus 2 I can write in the denominator. If something is in the denominator power, if I'll take to the numerator, then what will happen? Power will be negative. So this will become x to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 2. So now it become easy. So just you will write separately. I'm doing it directly now. Okay. So x square by 2 first term, x to the power 1 means 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So x square upon 2, 5 dx. 5 will come outside. Dx is x. 5x minus 4 x square. X square means minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Right. Now you can write that is a half. You can write that it's a half x square plus 5x minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 minus plus 4 x to the power minus 1 means I can take it to 4 by x denominator plus c. Is it okay? Is it okay? X square upon 2 5x plus 4 upon x plus c. Is it okay? Just I have divided x square in the first term, then I simplify. Then this from here to here I have done directly. You can do it individual. X dx plus 5 dx, like that you can do it. You can do it with individual terms, like 5 dx, then 4 x to the power minus 2 dx. Each term you can find it integration individual, then you can add it. Okay, I have done it directly because after 3-4 problems I think you are able to solve it directly. Now question number 12. Question number 12. So question number 12 is x cube plus 3x plus 4 upon root x dx integration. Just like the previous problem, that in the previous problem it was x square, now it's root x. Same, na, everything. So root x is, we know what is root x. Root x is x to the power half, right? We know this. So if I'll take this one to the numerator, then first let me write like this: x cube by root x plus 3x by root x plus 4 by root x whole into dx integration. Right. So what shall I do now? If this one will go up, then it will become x to the power 3. This is x half minus half. No? Multiplication. Plus this is 3x root x. So this will be root x, or you can write x to the power 1. This is x to the power minus half. Then if I take to the numerator again, so this is 4 x to the power minus half. Now it looks simple. Just I have taken it to the numerator. X to the root x is x to the power half, right? If I take to the numerator, if it is in denominator, power will become negative. So this is, acha, if two numbers are multiplied, base is same, power is different, then what will happen? We have to add the powers. You know, in class 7, 8, like here, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Then what we do? Multiplication. Then 2 to the power 3 plus 4. If base is same, then you add the powers, right? This is the rule we know. So here base is xx, so power will be added, right? These are some basic mathematics, you should know it. So this is x to the power 3 minus half plus 3 x to the power 1 minus half plus 4 x to the power minus half dx. So this is 3 minus half is x to the power 6 minus half, 5 by 2 plus 3 x to the power half plus 4 x to the power minus half dx. Now I can do it. All the terms are now simple. So x to the power 5 by 2 means x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1. 5 by 2 plus 1 is, that is 7 by 2. By 7 by 2, or you can write, shall I do it? Okay, let me do it. So this is 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into x to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1. First formula we are using x to the power n. N is here fraction, 5 by 2, no problem. 5 by 2 plus 1. Whatever the power may be, we have to add plus 1 divided by that n plus 1. 4 x to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus 3. Now we'll simplify it. So let me erase from the top. Okay. So now I'll simplify. 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. So what shall I write? So this will become 7 by 2 in the denominator, means if I write it 2 by 7. Is a simple mathematics. Means can you do or not? 5 by 2 plus 1, that means 2. So 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 is this in denominator. So it will, if I take the numerator 2 by 7. So this will become 2 upon 7 x to the power 7 by 2. In the next problem, I'll do it directly, okay? So this is 3 into half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So if I'll take to numerator, it will become 2 by 3. X to the power 3 by 2. Half plus 1, 3 by 2. 4 into 1 minus half is half. If I took to the numerator, it will be 2 by 1. Half 1 by 2. If I'll write in the numerator, it will be 2 by 1. Okay. 1 by 2. If I'll write it in the numerator, it will be 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 x to the power this is also half. 1 minus half is half plus c. So 3 cancelled. 2 upon 7 x to the power 7 upon 2. 2 x to the power 3 upon 2. 8 x to the power half. Is it correct? Check it. Question number 12. 2 x to the power 3 upon 2, 8 x to the power half c. Okay. Okay now. Now let's proceed to question number 13. 2 more questions we'll solve in this video, 13, 14 and 15. Then from 16 to 22, another video. Then exercise 7.1 is over, then 7.2 in the next video will start. So question number 13. X cube minus x square plus x minus 1 x minus 1 dx. Now what we'll do, same technique will follow, but if I'll write it separately, x cube by x minus 1, it is not cancelling out. So what shall I do? I have to do something with the numerator. थोड़ा उसको calculation, I'll have to do some arrangements so that the denominator can cancel out. So what shall I do? Can you look at here? Means you should when you solve, that's why I'm saying now, when you will solve more and more problems, you will develop one, means skill. You will develop skill that by looking at a problem you can at least predict something, or okay, which direction I should proceed. So you can see here x minus 1, here also if you take something, then you can convert to x minus 1. So let's see, I can see if I take x square common, so here x will be there, x square into x cube, minus, if I'll take x square common from here, it will be 1, plus 1 I'll take common here, so x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. Getting or not what we are doing? See, here I take x square common from the first two terms. Then if I take x square common, then from x cube if we'll take x square out, x will be there. From x square if we'll take x square out, 1 will be there. Then I write plus. From plus I 1. So x will be there and 1 will be there. So now what I'll do, this is like factorization. A polynomial is given and your factor means you're doing the factorization. Okay. So x minus 1 I can take common out of these two, because plus something x minus 1, here also x square into x minus 1. So I can take x square minus x minus 1 common. Then this will be x square plus 1. This is just nothing but a simple factorization. Now in the numerators, multiplication, this one multiplied by this one, and denominator. So ये cut हो जाएगा. You can cancel x minus 1. Now what you will do? Now the problem becomes easy. That is x square plus 1 dx. So इसको हम directly लिख सकते हैं. I can write directly x square dx is x cube by 3, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. I'm doing directly. First formula use. X to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here x to the power 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And by 2 plus 1, n plus 1, that is also 3. So x cube upon 3 plus dx is x plus c. Answer is very small. Just question is, you have to do the factorization. That's it. Nothing else is there in this problem. Question number 14. So when I'm solving this, without looking at my solution also, you can try and you can solve yourself. If you find any difficulty, then only you can look at the solution. This is the way you should proceed for mathematics problems. Don't go for the solution first. First try yourself. If you will fail, then you watch a video or solution from somewhere. Now question number 14. 1 minus x root x dx. Simple, no? This is simple. So just I'll multiply. This is root x root x dx. Now I can write them separately. I can find the integration separately. How will you do? Root x dx, yes, x root x dx. Separated, easy now. So what you will do? X to the power x root over, I have told, no? X root over is x to the power half. No? So that means this is x to the power half dx. So which formula I will use? Again, first formula. X to the power half means power half, n is half. So n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x minus, x into x to the power half means this is 1, x to the power nothing means 1, this is half. So again I have told you base same, power will be added, so 1 plus half will be there in the next step, or you can do it directly also. For your understanding, I am doing some more steps. So this is half plus 1 by half plus 1 minus, this is what, half, 1 plus half is 1 plus half 3 by 2. So x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 see so this is half plus 1 3 by 2 ऊपर जो if you go to numerator 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus minus minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2, if you go to numerator 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 see. Clear? Any issue? 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 upon 5 x to the power 5 upon 2 plus c. Clear? Last problem in this video. Then in the next video we'll solve question number 16 to 22. It was a longer video, difficult to upload also, and some problems may be there in between. So 15 root x, this is also easy, right? 3x square. This exercise is easy. 7.2. If you know some formulas, questions are easy only. So this question I'll do it directly. Root x means half. Okay. So I'll multiply with every terms. So this will 3. Can I write directly? Can you tell what will happen? So x to the power half into x to the power 2. Can I write x to the power 2 plus half? Directly I am writing. So plus 2 into x to the power nothing means 1. 1 plus half. Root over means half. 1 plus half is x to the power 1 plus half. Now plus 3 into x root, that is x to the power half. This dx. Integration. So now the problem is easy. Now you will use the separate them and use the formula number 1. Easily you can do I'll do this directly now. So 3. This is 5 by 2. Now 5 by 2 plus 1. So this is 5 by 2 plus 1 by 7 by 2 means 2 by 7. Directly I am writing plus x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1. So 2 into, this is 3 by half plus 1 means 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 5 by 2. So 2 by 5. X to the power 5 by 2. Similarly, 3 into half plus 1 is 3 by 2. Denominator 3 by 2. It will go 2 by 3. X to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Now, so you can write 6 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus 4 by 5. Any difficulty? 4 by, just multiplying 2 into 2 is 4, 4 by 5, x to the power 5 upon 2. This one 3 3 cancels. 2 x to the power 3 by 2. Done. Any difficulties? 6 upon 7 x to the power 7 upon 2, 4 upon 5, x to the power 5 by 2, 2 x to the power 3 upon 2 plus c. Nothing is there in this problem, just we have multiplied. X to the power half x square, so 2 plus half. This is the power 3 by 2, sorry 5 by 2. Now when you will use the integration formula again, we are doing integration separate term. 3 is a constant, we have written outside, taken it outside. Now 5 by 2 plus 1, that is in the numerator, denominator 5 by 2 plus 1, that is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 I have taken written in the numerator, so 2 by 7 directly I have done. Okay, I think it's clear. If you will find difficulties in this problem, you can comment so that I can try to explain them in the next video in more detail. I hope this is not, because we have done similar problems, so it is not that much difficult. Okay, so we'll stop here in this for this video, but just part 2 I'll also record now and then I'll upload. That is from problem number 16 to 22. Okay, so for this video, we have covered all the questions from question number 6 to question number 15 of your exercise 7.1 from the NCERT book, mathematics class 12 book. Thank you.